A very big thank you and a warm welcome for being inside my Snapchat course. I really appreciate you being here. And I also have to congratulate you because you've made a great decision in signing up for Snapchat marketing. Inside this course, I break down the strategies from the biggest businesses with the biggest budgets on Snapchat, and I show you how they use the Snapchat platform to increase their business and increase their revenue. And I'm going to show you how you can grow your brand and increase your revenue for yourself. I've broken down the content into 6 modules. Module 1 is the introduction and the welcome. I show you how to set up a Snapchat account for your business or brand, and then I show you how to follow the top 1% of brands currently on Snapchat so you can see what works for them and what they're doing to grow their businesses. In section 2, I'm going to give you the tool and overview so you're 100% knowledgeable about the Snapchat platform, how it works, and then we can use that knowledge in section 3 when we go into how, why, when, and what to post on Snapchat in order to see the best results. Growing of your account. Custom Snapchat codes, leverage your existing social media, use your website and email list, and leverage your Snapchat following in order to grow your account and reach new people. In section 5, I show you how to make money and gather leads from your Snapchat following, doing this through lead magnets and emails, coupons, and exclusive offers and challenges. Instagram app, tricks and strategies to accelerate your growth and the results that you see on Snapchat. Snapchat right now has the highest content consumption to user ratio than any other social media platform out there right now. It's an amazing opportunity for you to get your brand in front of new eyes and build strong relationships with these new followers of yours. If you're a complete beginner or never have heard of Snapchat before, I'm going to show you by holding your hand and walking you through this entire course exactly how your business can benefit from Snapchat. And if you ever need some additional help, and post in the discussions tab and I'll get back with answers to your questions within 24 hours. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the knowledge.